Every major achievement has countless supports behind it. To be the best supporter, we focus on one mission. We have over 50 years of mechanical expertise. We focus on professionalism and quality in every detail. We pursue only one goal: screw threading machines. One is uniqueness. Our product is efficient and fully automated, meeting diverse production requirements of different screws. One is completeness. We offer a variety of models and extensive accessories, providing comprehensive solutions. One is the top, leading the industry with rapid production capabilities, high sales volume, and a wide range of models. Since 1973, the company has expanded globally, reaching 56 countries with over 100,000 units sold. Achieving this status is challenging. We adhere to high standards in quality control, rigorously managing our operation environment, and continuously optimizing our equipment. With our thorough after-sales service, we ensure high customer satisfaction worldwide. To stay at the forefront, we invest continuously in R&D, enhancing our products to be energy efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly. Our machine network system also enables production visualization. Innovation, efficiency, service. For the world, for our society, consistent we remain. Never stop in satisfying our customers. This is our one mission.